It's another wonderful day and welcome to Trisolace. So as part of our preparations, we usually go on site and then we are forced sometimes to sleep on site because of proximity to the site, that is accommodation to the site. So today I have Holly here, I have myself and I have Evelyn. We're going to demonstrate how we sleep on site to clients, so that they know how we do it. So this is the biggest tent we are going to use. We are going to use this for the pepper farms. So all our pepper will be sleeping in this. We have about 5 of this. This can house about 5 people per each tent. But we are planning on just doing maybe 2 people who know each other per tent, so that we have about 10 investors all together. So this is what we're going to use. So we have these, we imported some, and some too we bought right here in Accra, you know. So this is our inflatable mattress or bed, and then this, ladies and gentlemen, is the beauty we are looking at. So this is our Conchua 6-man tent, and you can put your chairs in there and sleep in there as well. So one side can be your living area and one side can be your bed area. So we're going to pump the mattresses up and then put them in and see how well they adjust. So this is the Conchua 6-man tent. It is very, very cozy, very strong, very durable. It can withstand any weather condition. And then you have a place where air intake can go in, so you can just put it up like that, and then you can have your air intake excellently there, especially for the afternoons when you are on site or on the pepper fields. You can also unzip it so that it can serve as a living area for, and there's a lot of ventilation here as well. We have a lot of ventilation right here, and then the inside is very, very spacious, very spacious, very, very spacious. So this is the inside. You can see I am a bit taller, but this is how it looks like from here, from my head to there's about 0.5. There's about 0.5 from my head here to the top of this. So it means you can stand in. Excellent. Sorry for but you can stand in and then it will be okay. You can see that it's very spacious. So if a man sleeps in here, and another man sleeps in here too, and 4. So this is originally for big men like me, 4 people can sleep in here and it will be very okay. So let's move on to the mattress. We have 2 types of mattress. We have the single piece mattress, and then we have the double piece mattress. And this is our Conchua 180 centimeters by 120 centimeters. This is what they call the double bed. So this is the double bed. This is our inflatable a pump that we use for the inflation, to make sure that everything is inflated very well. So this is the double one. This is how it looks like. Yep, so it's new, and we have about 12 of these as well for our clients to sleep in. Okay, so this is a double one, double mattress. So this is one of the double ones. Okay, so we are inflating, as you can see, is coming up, and this is a leg pump as well, so use your leg. Only yes, You can use your leg, which will go faster. Yeah. So it will be inflated within a short time. So this is our contour. This is what we are going to sleep in on site for the pepper. So we are not going to build any permanent structures. This is very strong, and then you can hang it like you see. You can pull it up so that there's enough ventilation or air in here. No hassle, no worries. And then we have the smaller tents for other non-essential personnel, and the other essential personnel will also have their tents. Why we don't want this cost less than building a permanent structure, and it is very spacious. You can see it has a very top, a lot of space on the top side, which goes up there. You can hang a lantern or anything of the sort, and this you can even put in your own house to do if you have mosquitoes worrying you, you can use it. And then there's a lot of ventilation in here. So yes, so this is it. So now you can see how durable it is. Very, very nice. Yeah, I think it's okay. Yes, so this is the first one, which is a single or student bed type, like the Ghanaian one that we use in our houses. And then the other one is a contour. They are all contour from French, so they are from France. These ones are done as well. So yeah, we just put them in for you to see how many can go in. Yep. So you see, this is one, just one. So one person can sleep there. About 3 or 4 people can sleep in here very nicely, and then it will be okay. And the headroom is very good. So as you can see, I'm here. I'm not very tall, I know, but the headroom is a lot. See, I can't even touch the very top part unless I stretch all my arm. I'm tightening and I'm tightening. I'm stretching. So you can see that there's a lot of headroom. And if you are sitting, you have your workspace here, and then someone also can sleep here, and then you can be typing and doing all your works here as well. So this is an awesome piece of tent. It is water resistant. It is insect proof because we have insect netting here, and it is not very hot. Unlike this, so you can just take down all these, make sure that there's a lot of air, and if it's raining, you just go zip, bye bye rain, and then you don't have any rain. You can zip it both inside and outside. And if I feel it's getting too hot, I'll do this, and then I'll have enough room in here for air. Let's kill the mosquito. Then I have enough room in here for all this. So this is an insect-proof material and waterproof as well. So this tells you that we're ready for the snails and for the vegetables. These vegetables that we're going to do, we're doing as a samakese. We are using very limited resources because we want to prove a concept that pepper really is the next future crop. And then we are doing all this. So this is what we're going to stay on site. Make sure that there's enough sort of housing, accommodation, and all that for clients, that is investors, and for essential personnel and non-essential personnel as well. We also have the trailer, the very long trailer that we're going to park on site. So those who are afraid of tents or other things, that the trailer is made into a house. So you can sleep in there. There are beds, bunker beds. It's very spacious. It has mirrors. It has all the things in the house. that you would need. It even has solar. We have our solar panels that we're going to put on. So you have electricity, you have internet, every other thing you want will be provided. So this is, yeah, I think it's okay. It's okay. So this is our 1.5 mattress as well. Very, very good. We're going to pack that in there as well. Okay, so this is it, and this can house about 4 people or maybe 3 people at a go, and then we'll still have a lot of space. And this is just like your mattress in the house, an air mattress, very, very good, very solid. And then you have enough rest or headway in here for the occupants. So this is how ready we are for the pepper. We have our vehicle, trusty vehicle here as well, and then we have our pump, and then this is one of the awesome things we have. So these are walkie-talkies. They go up to a range of 10 kilometers. So this is 10 kilometers walkie-talkie. You can see 10 kilometers written on here. So these are the 10 kilometers. This is also Quenchua, 10 kilometers written on here. You can see the 10 kilometers, and then you just turn it on like so. So this is what we'll be communicating with on site. And then, so I will let Holly go behind, and then when you want to talk, you press on the talk, and then you start, and then I'll hear you. So Holly will go to the back. That's Holly going there. He will say something for us to listen in on our.
Hello, this is Trisolace Farm, and this is the walkie-talkie I'm using right now. And we're just trying the efficiency of it. We want to know how good it is.
Okay, Holly, I receive it. Over.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is our walkie-talkie as well. It travels 10 kilometers. We are ready. We have a few of this for essential personnel and people in the farms to make sure that we can communicate effectively. And this is our Conchua, our tent, which can house a lot of people. This is not any ordinary tent. This is very good and efficient. It's insect proof. It makes sure that there are no insects, there are no animals, and it's also waterproof. It has a waterproof layer. Excellent. And this is our car, trusty car that will go everywhere with. So these are the setup. So you can see it's very spacious in and out. And this has been Trisolace, letting you know how ready we are with our setup. We're ready for the pepper. We are.